Hello everybody, welcome. It's me, Andy here, and we're going to be talking about a AI powered website design software that I've come across. And thank you to the designers and the publishers, because they've given me this chance to review it for free. So they've given me the code. There is no other influence in this. They don't have any choice on what I say, or they don't need to see it beforehand. My review will be my own. So we're going to have a look at it. It's Bootstrap Studio. Obviously using Bootstrap as a system. Currently number 5, I think. So that's the system that allows you to make responsive websites. Very easy. Apparently this is a drag and drop system. Hardly any code, but you can code as well. So let's go and have a look at it. It looks quite good from my initial look at it. So we're going to have a look at the software in part 2. In part 1, we're going to have a look at the actual website. So here we are. This is the website, Bootstrap Studio. And of course, you are encouraged to purchase. There's some... We'll go over that in a moment, but the actual features of it, we're going to do the extras, and then there's some learning packages there, some demo videos. This is actually the interface that you're going to end up with the list down the side there, including the HTML coding and all of the files in that part there, on the left hand side, and then styles and other sort of attributes on the right, with the pages down in the bottom corner. These are all HTML based, CSS, JavaScript as well, fonts and images, and of course the main page in the center with the options of looking at mobile phones, tablets, 16:9, and then various monitor types. So depending on what size you go for. Currently this is set for 824 by 715 in the workspace. This is not the actual, it's a website by the way, so I can't do anything here. But you do have the option of making really good websites using all of the usual sort of headers, containers, rows, columns, divs, and paragraphs and all that, and with all the H1, H2, H3 text sizes, all the rest of it, and including images and things like that. So they allege they have 10k happy customers. It's a visual drag and drop editing website designer. Bootstrap Studio helps you design great websites without writing code. Good. Sometimes you do need to write code to make it work. Design and tweak. So there's a rich library of templates that you can start with. We'll be looking at that when we get onto part 2. And of course you can help yourself out with an AI assistant. And it could do any editing, building the entire website and apps, redesigning pages, unlimited use with your own API key. So assuming that you have a way of getting that, then you can use your key. For example, if you've got Google, whatever, Google anti-gravity or some other sort of method of getting a key that you paid for, then you'll be able to put that in there and use your AI. I don't think it comes with one as default. Fast and responsive websites, fully optimized SEO, and of course they're powered by Bootstrap framework, which is currently 5, but they're also supporting 3 and 4 as well. A load of templates that they've got that you can use and amend. Some of them looking quite nice. So there is also the chance that you can make a e-commerce site as well, which obviously is slightly more complicated. There's no need for CMS or WordPress or anything like that. An automated form backend activate smart forms so you get your emails and things. There are no monthly payments, usage limits, apart from the fact you have your own AI, in which case there will be an AI, or ongoing fees. So you pay it once and you own it forever. There are two ways. Cheaper way, obviously, is 1 year of free updates and then that's it. There is a fact that you can do a lifetime membership which will give you free upgrades forever. And to be fair, if you're quibbling about paying $59 instead of $29, then you are probably skinflint tight. You are really, really tight, because you can get 2 templates free for that as well, premium templates. But the idea of this is that you can do everything in the standard version, but you can also build e-commerce stores as well. But it can be used with an unlimited number of websites, the templates that you've got here. Some of them are obviously not free, but to be fair, they're quite cheap anyway. I mean, I personally would probably not bother, but you may need some inspiration if you haven't done any designing before. But I mean, the cheapest one there is $15, so not too bad. And then you can use that as the basis in all of your websites if you want to. So it is a supports custom domains. So if you've got your own domain name, then you can point that. There are no monthly fees, encryption, so they give you the HTTPS, lightning fast publishing, globally distributed. They're using Cloudflare, password protection, custom domains. It comes free with Bootstrap Studio. It does remind me of Mobilize, but slightly better, if you can understand that. So smart forms, they got this here, create by drag and drop, image and file support, spam, with reCAPTCHA, you'll need to use the Google code for that. AI student, this is the AI Studio Assistant. So you've got various ways that it could help you, including building a full website, design from an image as well. That's pretty good. So it will work with various models. And obviously, if you use Open Router, you'll be able to get a free model, so you won't pay any money for that. But you can also, obviously, using it with Llama and local models, if you have that, and you can paste your key. The API keys are stored securely with a free API key. So the AI platforms that mentioned above charge per token, and obviously they do offer, sometimes they offer free keys as well. We've got AI Studio, that will give you a free API key for the Gemini models. You may have to be very careful using that because there is a limit on the number of requests per minute. And once you go over that, it stops working. So you have to be very aware. But yes, the Gemini model is free and it will work. It will be quite good for this service. You've also got the free Open Router models as well. So once you get your key, then you put your key in to the settings there. So any of those into your free key. With a paid key, obviously if the key is not free, then the above is not an option for you. You need to or if you need to set higher limits, then you'll need to get a pay key. Open the manager models dialog, and then you can do that and put your key in, your pay key in there. In the providers tab, you can select which one you want and the model. You don't need to have a monthly subscription. You can generate these keys free, and also they are billed based on usage. It does allow you very much. There is a good list there of help, how to use it, various things that you need to know. You can go through all of this. Bootstrap versions. So it's a very good help desk sort of thing where you can find out most things about the application. And of course there are also the video lesson on YouTube. Goes through all of that. I will subscribe to that one. Go and watch them videos later. Okay, so that's a part 1 of the website. I've already downloaded it, so we'll go on to part 2 very soon. We'll play with it and see what we can make and get a website up and running.